Hey guys, it's me, Jessica De Leon, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so tonight, this evening, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing some shoes I just recently got. I haven't had a all-white pair of Nike tennis shoes in a very, very long time. If you're interested in seeing me unbox these shoes, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a short little video, just me unboxing some tennis shoes. You can tell by the title the kind of shoes that I am unboxing. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get started. So I've got these some Nike. These are the Nike Air Max 97 GS. I don't know what the GS means. So boys 6.5, so that's what the Y means youth. These equate to a woman's 8, and these are the white and metallic silver standard Nike box, guys. And pretty much all there is. So yeah, so we're just gonna flip the top up. Got the paper inside, and all has been reviewed. Take a look at those. Oh yes. Oh. Okay, so this is the left shoe. Love this shoe. It's so sleek and just it'll just go with every single thing in the world. Sporty. I adore this. Get out the other one. Here's the right shoe. And here are the shoes side by side. Just your classic 97s. So that's pretty much it for the shoes. So yeah, I'm just really excited to wear these. As I've said, anything white, it's spring and it's going to be summer soon, so these are going to be a perfect shoe to wear for the spring and the summer, and yeah, even winter, because you know, winter white, I mean, these are just a good shoe all year round. So I'm really excited about these. That's pretty much it on the Nike Air Max 97s. Okay, so an FYI on these shoes, my daughter has the black ones, so I am used to wearing these in black. And let me just say, these shoes are extremely tight. I mean, they feel like your feet are in little like coffins or something. I mean, they just squeeze your feet to death. So that's something to be aware of in the beginning, initial breaking in phase. It's going to be a bit uncomfortable, to say the least. I bear the pain for the fashion, so you know, I'll take it. But in the beginning, these are not shoes you want to wear for any length of time. If you do go out somewhere, bring a backup pair just in case. You just can't continue to wear them any longer. And we still have not quite broken in the other ones. The other ones are better, but they're still really tight. It takes a while. I think these shoes are just made really tight fitting, so just wanted to show you guys, unbox them for you, and then I'm obviously going to show you what they look like on. So let's do that next. Okay guys, so that is the shoes on my feet. I absolutely love these shoes. Yeah, I just can't get enough. And also, this is so cute to me that it has this little silver Air Max thing. Like, I love the color silver, and it's like in like glitter. Oh my god, I just love that. I didn't even notice that until just now, so I thought I'd show you guys that it has that on the back. So freaking cute. Love these shoes. These are going to be my new favorite shoes to wear. I'm going to wear them with absolutely everything. So yeah, go cop you a pair, okay? Because these are where it's at. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.